We just arrived in Sturgis for the annual motorcycle rally that happens here every year. Last year we went to the 81st annual, which was so much fun. And this year we're at the 82nd. I thought it would be so fun if you guys drove into Main Street Sturgis with me. So let's do it. I'm gonna roll down my windows a little bit so you can hear the motorcycles because I freaking love it. I'm not a biker, but I have an appreciation. And that's why this is so much fun for me. Probably gonna drink a beer at 10:30 this morning because I can. Oh wait, it's 11. Yeah, that's socially acceptable, right? Alright. There's the Sturgis sign. Took photos there last year. There's like $5 parking all over, so it's nice and easy to find a parking spot, especially for the van. Last year I parked in a church parking lot. Found some cool beer tents last year. Bubba, I'm so excited. I know you're tired. We parked at last time, Bubba. Let's try. Yeah. Okay, so we found parking. We're actually in the church parking lot that we parked in last year. We were given some directions to go over here. Whoop. By these cars. We'll get ready and we will walk up to Main Street. I hope you guys enjoyed this drive into Sturgis. Please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more Sturgis content.